You're feeling weak, overwhelmed, and you feel like you can't keep going today, this message is for you. Isaiah chapter 41 says, "Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and I will help you." If you're feeling tired and you're discouraged and unsure about what tomorrow may bring, listen, because God is not far from you. He sees exactly what you're going through and what you're carrying, because He's saying, do not fear, because He's with you right in the midst of the storm, right in the midst of the fiery furnace. He's with you. This means that you're not walking by yourself. Even when you feel weak, God is holding you up. Even when things don't change immediately, He is still working in your life. He's still working in my life. So just because things don't work immediately or come to plan or fruition immediately like we want God to do, like a genie in a bottle, we sometimes get doubtful. But do not give up. Do not let fear win. God is your strength and He's helping you right now, even in this moment.